Samahan nyo kami sa aming unang gala ngayong taon. We decided to have a short holiday before the school starts again. Kaya nga kahit umuulan, sige, laban!
Your destination is on the left.
Are we gonna get our hotel first? Is this the one? Is this the one? That's coming!
What's that, Dad? Oh, okay. Okay, that would be alright. Room 36. Let's go. From the reception, madadaanan yung mega, huge water park papunta sa cabin namin. Yung susunod na kanto pa kanan at pangalawang cabin, yun na yung cabin namin. O, diba? Apakabilis. O, diba? Ang ganda pala mag-voice over pag may mga alagang anak, naririnig, pati ang sa background.
Mababa na kayo?
Ano ka? Pinapakita mo lang sa akin? Actually, ang lapit lang ng water park sa aming cabin. Look at that. Nasa harap lang. Come on. Yan. Hindi man mabubuksan kung iba. Welcome. This will be our home for 3 nights and 2 days. 4 days. Hi!
Hello.
Parang the same with the ano that. No? Oh. Parehas.
I want to sleep on the...
This cabin is actually the same floor plan sa Tasman Holiday Parks na pinagstayan namin last time when we celebrated Sky's birthday dyan sa Arlie Beach. Parehas, halos parehas. Hi, Sean! Ano ba yan?
Yay!
Oh, yung milk ang gusto ni Ocean.
Feel like so.
We decided to do some sightseeing at nakita namin yung mga caravan on the left. Yun. Yung mga caravan trailer, ang hiyaman siguro ng mga may-ari dyan. Yung part naman na yung may kubo is the mini golf area. And that's the huge water park. Then, nagpunta kami sa my reception. Kasi magre-reklamo kami. Charot! Then, nagpabook kami ng with Sunday cruise namin. Hindi na makapaghintay ang mga bulilit. Kailangan na nilang maligo. At ayan si Daddy Bricks. Galak na galak. Akala mo naman. Oy, Daddy! Ang sama ni Daddy! Pabalik! Pabalik! That open area over there is for the outdoor cinema, the park, then badminton and lawn tennis. We're going to watch a movie.
A little bit of